Welcome back. We will now walk through some of the common editing by voice commands. Move to top. Insert after welcome. We are glad that you are here. Insert after workshops. Period. Select you. 3. Choose one. Select communicate. Insert after communicate. Period. Select not. Choose one. Select this. 2. Choose one. Undo that. Scratch that. Scratch that. Choose one. Delete comma. Select gonna. Going to. Select do through it. Delete that. Select and through it. Delete that. Delete period. 5. You have now seen a demonstration of common editing by voice commands, and as you can see, it is very easy to do once you understand exactly what's happening. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.